and you want to fine tune that product, get your customers, get your revenue, and start rocking and rolling.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
How would you like to make your first million? And today we have Jason joining from Philadelphia, a tech entrepreneur. So Jason, tell us, what are the 5 steps that tech entrepreneurs should be doing in order to make the first million?
Well, you definitely should be following steps number 1, right? You don't want to skip the steps, because a lot of people, they say they have the biggest idea, but they don't want to follow the right proven steps. And the first one would be to validate your idea, right? If you don't validate it by telling at least 100 people to see if they even want your idea, then you're wasting your time building it. Once you find out who those people are, then you have to do beta testing, iteration, right? So you want to really test your product in the market, whether it's a hardware product or a software product, and really kind of test, get feedback, running surveys, come back, fix it, keep doing that over and over again until you fine tune your product. This is what's called number 3, building an MVP, a minimum viable product, right? So that's your goal. Your goal is to validate, beta test, build that MVP to get that minimum product out in the market so that maybe now 1,000 people can try it or 10,000 people can try it. Once you do that, then you have to really find your market. You have to target your market and really figure out who wants to use your product the most. This is the moment when you may have to pivot. So this is number 4, is you should be prepared to adapt to the market, prepare to pivot and change what it is you're doing, because what you think is the market and what you think you're building this for might not be the result. And that happened to me recently. We could talk about that later. And the 5th thing, of course, is then you want to scale your business, right? You want to get investors to invest in you, find a team that wants to work with you.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.